soaked right now. In today's video, we are going to explore one of Iceland's most iconic waterfalls, Seljalandsfoss. This waterfall is approximately 120 kilometers or 75 miles from Reykjavik, which makes it a hot spot for tour buses and travelers. For us, it was no different. This was the first stop we made on day 2 of our trip to Iceland as we headed down the south coast of the Ring Road. With a height of about 60 meters or 200 feet, Seljalandsfoss is an impressive sight to behold. During the summer months, when the glacier meltwater is at its peak, the waterfall's flow increases, creating a thunderous roar that adds to its dramatic beauty. It's soaked right now. This is one of the most popular waterfall hikes on the south coast of Iceland, and it's one of the very few that you can actually walk behind, providing a truly immersive and magical experience. This is insane. It's so cold. It's so cold. It's truly a mesmerizing experience to feel the mist on your face and witness the world from behind the veil of the water. When we visited this immense waterfall, it was under construction. We couldn't quite walk the full path underneath this waterfall, but we got some pretty stunning views anyways. Seljalandsfoss is a true gem of Iceland's natural wonders. From its impressive height and flow, its unique experience walking behind the cascading waters, it offers an enchanting and unforgettable adventure. Okay, this makes me super excited. If you can see right here, those are some flowers. And there's more further downstream, so maybe we will get to see wildflowers while we're here, which makes me so excited. On this path that I'm walking on, we have like the big iconic waterfall right there. We have the smaller waterfall there. And then there's a couple more waterfalls out here, so just walking on this beautiful little path. So this next waterfall that I'm going to, I've been here before, and it's like inside of this little canyon area, almost like a slot canyon, but really short, and you have to walk through the water to get there. So we'll see how that currently is. I'm not in my waterproof shoes, so I don't know if I'm gonna go in, but I kind of want to still. That was pretty amazing. Really glad I went in there. So cool, tons of people. That's super, super neat. Again, I am all wet. Worth it though. So much spray coming off those waterfalls. They are powerful. Amazing though. So that is all the waterfalls in this area. So heading back to the car to warm up, losing feelings in my hands again. If you're planning a trip to Iceland, be sure to add the Seljalandsfoss to your itinerary. That's going to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can see all of our Iceland adventures. This is massively helpful if you are planning a trip to Iceland. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.